The operation process of 2019 novel coronavirus IgG and IgM detection kit, Kaleido Gold-based Vazyme, is now being demonstrated. Please read the package insert carefully before detection. The kit is composed of test cassette, dropper, and specimen diluent. Before detection, tear open the file bag, take out the test cassette, and place it on a level and dry surface. Draw the sample from a blood collection tube with a dropper and add 1 drop to the sample vial on the test cassette. Throw the dropper into a medical garbage can. Then immediately add 3 drops of a specimen diluent to the sample vial. The results should be interpreted in 10 minutes. Any interpretations of the result after 15 minutes would be invalid. Throw the test cassette into a medical garbage can.